In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to buy Robux with a Google Play gift card. And this is actually super easy, so we're going to start right away. So what you want to do is you want to open up Roblox. And you want to click on the sort of Roblox icon at the top right corner. And here you can buy Robux. So you can buy from any price of Robux you want. And I'm just going to do the 50 cents Robux right here. So you want to click on it just like this. And for me, it immediately shows this up. If it does not show up this, but something else, you just have to click on select a payment method or something like that. But what you want to do is from here on out is click on redeem code. And here you can fill in the code of your gift card. And once you've done that, you can just click on redeem, and now you have bought the Robux. So that is all you have to do. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.